Hello and welcome back to my channel Hill Tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss some very important concept regarding mathematics which are very useful in designing controller in automotive engineering or in model based design industry. So first thing which is I'm going to discuss, that is the first n number. Okay, how we will be able to simulate first n number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to n. Okay, and the next I will be telling here how we can simulate Fibonacci sequence so that it will print 1, 1, then 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. So all these are very important many times in industry. When you will face interview, they ask to implement in Simulink all these very basic concepts. So now let's start Matlab Simulink where we will do all these things. So it is my Matlab. Okay, I'm using Matlab R2023A version and academic use. So now here it is Simulink. Just I will click here and I will create one blank model. So now my blank model is here. So first I will simulate n numbers. Okay, so for that I will require one constant block. Okay, so just double click on your screen and search for constant. Okay, you can see here this one is the constant. Take it. Okay, then take one add block. Now connect it. Take one unity block, unity block. Okay, you can see this one, unit delay. Now place it here. Take one scope. Okay, copy this unit delay, paste, flip it. Now connect it here. Okay, and just go to model and inside the model setting, take here solver selection fixed step, solver type discrete, solver step size. Okay, this one is very important. So take one and just click OK. Now run the simulation. Okay, observe the result. You can see it is printing 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, and 10. So this is how we can simulate n number. Okay, so here I'm writing n number series. Okay, so now next we will simulate Fibonacci series. So for that also we will require one addition block. So take one add block, then take one unit delay. Okay, unit delay and flip it. Then copy and paste it and place here. Now take one scope. Okay, place it and connect it like this. Now connect it here. Now connect it here, connect this one here, and loop back it like this. Okay, now double click on it, and this one initial condition should be 0, sample time take 1. Okay, and double click on this one, initial condition should be 1, sample time 1. Okay, and just click OK. Now run the simulation and you can see the result. Okay, so you can see here 1 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 13, and so on. Means it is printing the Fibonacci series. If I will put here 6, then easily you can see how it is implementing Fibonacci series. So you can see here 1 1, then here it is 2, 3, 5, then 8, then 13. Okay, so in this way we can create Fibonacci series in our Matlab Simulink. Okay, so here I'm writing Fibonacci series. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected with me. I'm whenever I'm getting time, I'm sharing very important informations, and hope these videos also help you in your concept development in Matlab Simulink. Thank you very much.